So now I'm headed for Chittorgarh. I thought Udaipur was always on a flat desert. I didn't know it was like among the Aravalli mountains. It's pretty nice because of the mountains. And the morning temperature was like 14 degrees. It's pretty chilly. Now it's climbing back up to 25. Chittor also is a palace on top of a mountain. It's not really just a palace. It's kind of like whole city built on top of a mountain. I think the Khilji team, when they attacked, they were waiting for a long time. I mean, I think it's like not really breachable. It's pretty awesome. Oh, nice. Feels like Bangalore, the garden city. The highway I came to Udaipur in the night, it was something like this. Good roads and surrounded by mountains. So up there on the hill, what you see is the full fort. And they have fortified the entire hill, so siege was very difficult. I think it was breached by Khilji and maybe one or two others. Crazy. It's because of the movie. Like, whatever happens in the movie is so sad. And to have something to relate and then feel that that actually happened in reality, that's so crazy. Yeah, that's a whole city on top of the hill. Amazing. So you're already in the fort. Second checkpoint. Imagine reaching this. Another door. Door number 3 already. No wondered why this is, I think Asia is one of the largest. Wow. Another door. Quite a traffic. The fort itself, I think to see, will need a drone video. Otherwise, I don't think you can see much. Oh. Kids are very excited to see camera. Probably a temple. The feel is really nice. Like, you can see 20 meters away, you have that drop and the fort wall. Really amazing. So probably they mined the stones from the same place and they built the fort. It's possible, right? There is so much area. And it's probably part of Aravalli, the mountain So it won't be all soil, it'll be proper rock. Wild boar roaming around. खाना किधर मिलेगा इधर? कुछ भी चलेगा। हाँ, अच्छा, ऐसे रूफटॉप सेटिंग है? ठीक, चलो, थैंक यू। This is Sev Tamatar. Sev Tamatar. Don't think this is any healthy, but it's like misal pav. Misal pav is a Russian dish. Placed like that. I like misal pav. नहीं अभी स्टार्ट किया, नहीं लगेगा रोटी, बहुत है. So I'm eating here because I could fly drone from the terrace. So that's it, done with Chittor Fort. Got a few nice shots with drone. So I wasn't sure what the regulations are around drone. So I went to the restaurant. They had a rooftop dining area. So I did the shots from there. I mean, it's not a detailed video about this fort, so I think I captured enough.